MATelec Australia, quality isn't just a box to tick, it's a core part of our foundation. And our ISO9001 certification proves it, because every system we build follows world-class standards in quality management.
ISO9001 means everything we do is measured, documented, followed among our qualified team and continually improved. Our goal is to deliver consistent quality every single time.
It's not just about meeting standards, it's about building better, smarter, more reliable systems and processes, because we understand that you don't rise to the level of your goals, but you fall to the level of your systems.
Whether it's a sophisticated, completely custom controlled panel or an everyday cable accessory product being dispatched from our warehouse, we have the confidence that it is right.
Not only do our valued clients expect it, but our ISO 9001 accreditation obligates us to process every transaction, irrespective of size or value, to a consistent, internationally recognised standard of workflow protocol.
Because at MATelec Australia, quality isn't a feature, it's a promise.
It's a promise.
That's a promise.
It's a promise.
It's a promise.
It's a promise.
Built on standards, driven by quality. That is what ISO 9001 accreditation means for you.